Hi kids, welcome to Kids Learning. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe Kids Learning. In this video we learn homophones. Let's start. A homophone is a word that sounds the same as another word or words but has a different meaning or spelling. Here are some examples of homophones. The sun is very hot. I have one son. I write a letter. D is the fourth letter of alphabet. This table has 5 rows. Pink rose is very beautiful. Sunrise in the east. Your son is very intelligent. I am sure I am right. Take a right turn, the intersection. This is for you. I choose number 4. I am so happy to meet you. Meat is very good for health. My aunt is so pretty. Ants are very small insects. I ate one apple. I am 8 years old. What a beautiful ring. Kids playing in a ring. I see an apple. A blue whale lives in a sea. The flower has a green stem. Flour is used to make loaf. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye kids. Have a great day.